Hey OTF Applewood, Coach Christine here. I am here to introduce you to the newer, cleaner, better, safer Orangetheory fitness that we have. When you guys do come into the studio, if you haven't been in yet, I want to let you know that we have a touchless thermometer system. We're going to be regulating everyone's temperature before they can even enter into the studio. When you come into the studio, we've made so many upgrades to make it cleaner, safer, better for you and for everyone else in here. So you will notice some big ass fans hanging on the ceiling. Those big ass fans have a UVC light, and what these fans do is they kill 99.99% of airborne pathogens, and the airborne pathogens that cause the SARS-CoV virus. Also, we have UVC lights in all of our HVAC systems. So these UVC lights, they are killing airborne pathogens as well to make our filtration system better for you so you're breathing in cleaner, safer air. When you enter into the studio, everything is social distance. Everyone is wearing either a mask or a face shield to keep everyone safe and protected. So come check out our studio. We've made so many amazing upgrades. Remember, the best thing you can do right now is truly to be staying healthy and fit and working your cardiovascular system. Come in, take a class, and see all the amazing upgrades that we have made in here to make it a better environment for all of us. We're just keep getting better and better. We look forward to seeing you soon.